What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be going to Ikea, so I'll resume the video when we get there. So see you guys. Okay, so we're at Ikea right now, so let's go. So they got like the furniture and stuff. Gosh, that's an expensive couch. Oh, I like that blue. Oh, this setup's nice. Wow. There's a nice fridge.
This will be mine.
It's a nice house, yeah. They got the cloud light with a bathroom connected to it. Type. They got this room. This is a W room. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it. We're gonna like explore a little more. So let's get it. Yeah, so we're just exploring Ikea right now. You know, this is my room, guys. It's my room. You know, I got a bathroom connected to my room. Totally not Ikea. Yeah, this is my room, guys. This is what the outside looks like. Okay, so we're in the gaming room right now, and this is what it looks like. Okay, yeah, so we're in the kitchen right now. Whoa, look at those shelves. That's sick. Ooh, yummy cake. Wait, is this real? I didn't think so. Ooh, yummy rubber cake. This oh yeah, it is. This needs to say it's a Lazy Susan. I have one of these at my house. Yeah, this is a cool microwave. Gotta make some toast. Exploring right now. Oh gosh, that light is bright. Look how bright that is. we're gonna go hit him with the snake. Okay, so we're downstairs right now, guys. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on another video. So bye, guys.